Even in the age of next delivery, self-checkout, gigabit internet, some things can't be hushed and rushed. The cars, trucks, and SUVs seen here won't reach dealers' lots for anywhere from a few months to a few years. Some of them are about to roll down the assembly line. Others haven't emerged from the design studio yet. We're telling you about them now, though, because these are the vehicles that will matter. Regardless of how many boring crossover automakers puke out, these are worth the wait. This is a story by Car and Driver, and these are the 30 vehicles that's worth the wait. Reliability. That's what you think of when you think of the 2021 Alfa Romeo GTV. It's difficult not to love Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio. In spite of the sports sedan tragic reliability record, it's still an absolute joy to drive and looks incredible. Who wouldn't want that in even a sexier form, like say a two-door coupe? Good news, one is on the way, and it will resurrect the iconic GTV name and add electrification to the Quadrifoglio 505 horsepower twin turbo V6, up to 600 horsepower. That is just going to be amazing, folks. Straight up amazing. And then we have the 2021 Alfa Romeo Tonality. The up-and-coming Alfa Romeo Tonality promises to be a rare beauty in the sea of luxury subcompact crossovers. Plus, it's Alfa Romeo first hybrid model, previewed by a concept model at last year's Geneva Auto Show. The production version should arrive later this year, starting at around $35,000. And whoa, the 2024 Aston Martin Vanquish. Aston Martin next Vanquish will be a mid-engine supercar targeting the defining dream machine of the moment. Cars such as the Ferrari FA Tributo, Lamborghini Huracan, replacement, and the McLaren 720S, and the 765 LT, previewed by a concept car at the 2019 Geneva Auto Show. Pictured, the Vanquish should start just north of $300,000 when it arrives in 2023. Wow. Then we have the 2021 Audi E-Tron GT. Audi Electric E-Tron lineup grows for 2021 with the shapely E-Tron GT joining today's E-Tron. No name, just E-Tron crossover. There's no dancing around it. GT is aimed squarely at the Tesla Model S. Audi is hoping it will deliver more than 250 miles of driving range and nearly 600 horsepower from a pair of electric motors, one per axle. Underneath is a Blade Runner exterior, highest the same J1 architecture developed for fellow Volkswagen Group members, Porsche, for the Taycan EV. 2021 Audi Q4 EachRun. The Audi Q4 EachRun is smaller and cheaper than the E-Tron and the E-Tron Sportsback, and is aimed at the core of a crossover market. The Q4 EachRun was initially previewed by the concept car picture shown at the 2019 Geneva Auto Show. It would be the fourth electric Audi to come stateside, but the first to use the VW MEB architecture, designed exclusively for electric vehicles. It too will offer a slightly sleeker sportback version. Wow. The 2024 BMW i8M. BMW is working on a follow-up to the plug-in hybrid i8 Halo car, which in itself never really lived up to the expectations previewed by the 2019 BMW Vision M next concept car. This yet to be named replacement. Now we taken to know what is called the i8M. It should place greater emphasis on the performance than its predecessor did. It could also set the Beamer world on fire with its retro M1 inspired style. It could have real lovers, and people are going to love this. And then we have here the 2021 Cadillac CT5V Blackwing. The CT5V Blackwing promises to be one of the hottest and the most track-ready sports sedans on the market. Cadillac hopes that it will make a name for itself, competing against the most extreme AMG M division and the Audi RS models. To make sure the Blackwing version of the CT is up to the fight, I must say the CT5. It will fit an updated version of the CT-SV 6.2 liter supercharged V8, not the 550 horsepower twin turbo 4.2 liter Blackwing V8. We expect the engine to make about 650 horsepower, and it will be available on a 10-speed automatic, 6-speed manual. Then we have here the 2022 Chevrolet Corvette Z06. The up-and-coming Chevy Corvette Z06 will be the first of several up-and-coming ultra-high-performance variants of the C8 Corvette. We expect it to go on sale in the early 2021 as a 2022 model, starting at around $85,000. It will use a naturally aspirated dual overhead cam, 32-valve, 5.5-liter V8. Plus, it will have a flat plane crank, just like the Ferrari V8. It should rev up to 8,500 and 9,000 RPM and spit out 600 plus horsepower and shriek like nothing before. But it'll definitely shriek like it's a Ferrari. Then we have here the 2022 Ferrari Per Se SUV. Ferrari is finally taking a leap in building the SUV for a brand that might build its reputation on racing cars. That is, this new project is quite a departure. For now, the creation is being referred to as the Per Se name, which is Italian for thoroughbred, and will go up against the likes of Bentley Bentayga, Lamborghini Urus, Rolls-Royce Cullinan, if not in pure performance, at least in the price. And last but least, we have the 2022 Ford Fusion Active. Now, selling a station wagon in the American market, infatuated with SUVs, is a risky play for the manufacturer. But once Ford kills off the Fusion sedan later this year, or early next year, a lifted version of the stigmatized yet highly practical type of vehicle will soon be close as shoppers will come to the finding a new family car in the Blue Oval showroom. Enter the Ford Fusion Active, which we've seen in spy photos and leaked images so far. You guys, this is just the first 10 cars, and then there's another 10 coming. This is a automotive review. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more interesting videos.